Hello, I'm Zach. Today I'll be making a simple steak and fussili aglio olio for two. Let's start by preparing the ingredients. Chopping up some mushroom and leek. After that, food process the garlic and chili. Alright, let's start cooking. First, boil a pot of water. Add some salt in, right? Then once it's boiled, drop in the pasta. I normally cook it for about 8 minutes for it to be al dente. Then I season the steak with some salt and black pepper. If you can do this earlier, it will also be nicer. Heat up the pan to medium-high heat, add some oil, sear the steak for about 1 minute on each side, right, for a nice medium rare. Once that's done, set it aside and leave all the flavorful oil in the pan for the pasta later. So now that it's ready, we can fry the aglio olio. Now, to fry the aglio olio, first we put in the leek, garlic and chili to bring out the flavors first. After that, strain the pasta, right, after a while. Then once the pasta is in, you season the pasta with a little bit more salt, black pepper. I also added some smoked paprika as well to bring out more flavor to the aglio olio. Right, once that's done, pretty much just cut the tendon off from the stick. Serve it on the pasta. And voila, we are done. Thank you so much for watching.